this video, I'm going to show you guys how I shot these beautiful pictures. Let's get right into it. What's going on, guys? Pictures by Schoolboy here, and welcome back to yet another video. Today's video is a bridal inspired photo shoot, which was actually a collaboration between a makeup artist and myself. And in today's video, I'm going to take you guys back on how we planned everything, the lighting setup I used, and the entire photo shoot, how we went about creating this beautiful picture. So if that is something you would like to see, make sure you stick around till the end of this video. Let's get right into it. So the lighting setup, first thing first, it was a 2-light setup. I had the main light and a second light, so 2-light setup. The main light was my Godox Ad200, and my second light too was my Godox Sk400 Mark II. I diffused both lights. I had a softbox. Let me use that word. Softbox. I had a softbox on both lights to help diffuse the light, and with the main light, the softbox that I had on was the 90mm Godox octabox, and I had a Stripbox, a Godox Stripbox on the second light, the Sk400 Mark II. So that was the 2 lights that I used. And with the main light, how when you buy a softbox, there are mainly 2 diffusion layers in the softbox. When you set it up, there are mainly 2 layers of diffusion. There's a little one inside, and there's a very big one outside. With this photo shoot, I used only one layer of diffusion, which was the big one outside. I got rid of the little one inside because I wanted the light to be a little strong without actually bringing my power way high. So I wanted to keep the power of the main light a little lower, but still have a strong a strong light. So that is why I didn't use 2 layers of diffusion, but only one. But when it comes to the rim light, which is the backlight, I used both diffusion layers, and also had a grid on the light. The reason why I had a grid on the second light was because I didn't want the light to spill on the background, and that is why I didn't remove the grid. That is why I had a grid on the backlight. I didn't want the light to be spilling everywhere, especially on my background. And also I wanted there to be a separation. I wanted there to be a separation between the subject and the backdrop. That is why I used a ring light, and also serve as a hair light. So not only the second light is rimming hair from the background, but it was also serving as a hair light. So if you take a closer look at the hair of the model, you can see there is actually light shining on there, and also a little bit on her shoulders. And that was solely the second light, the Sk400 Mark II, which was getting that job done. I had the main light placed in a way that it was hitting the background just a little bit, not too much. It was very even and very flat on both the background and the subject as well. So if I hadn't put a grid on the second light, it would also be spilling on the background as well, and I wouldn't like how it would turn out. And as I said earlier, with the costume, makeup and hair, the makeup artist came out with everything. She did her magic, and everything turned out great. Initially, we wanted to do this photo shoot in a space where it would feel like it was an actual wedding, or it was a real bride. Let me say that it was a real bride and not a model. But we thought about it and ended up deciding to do it in the studio. But we still wanted the pictures to have a little bit of realness in them. That is why, if you've noticed from most of the pictures, the model is sitting down. We didn't want it to also feel like, oh, it's a studio photo shoot. You can tell that it's a studio photo shoot, but you can't really tell if it's a studio photo shoot. I don't know if you understand what I mean. We took a couple of shots whereby the model was standing, but that one is immediately you see it, you clearly know that this was taken in the studio. But the ones that the model was sitting down, you can't really tell if it was a real wedding or it was just a collaborative photo shoot, if you get what I mean. Yeah, that's how this whole photo shoot came about. Big shout out to Amateur Makeover for making this possible, and big shout out to the model as well. She exceeded my expectations. Everything went well. I really like how everything turned out, and I hope you also like the results. Let me know what you think down in the comments section below.
Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. Some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh. tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. If this is something you would like to see more often, please consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out.